Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're gonna be unboxing this Hot Wheels character set Pixar Doug. It's Doug's Squirrel Services. The one that's from Disney, which you could see the character. It's the one called Whitcoals from $9.99. This one hits cool for a while since I've been watching TV on that Disney Plus. This one, I'm going to unbox this for a while. See, this one, it's cool car, which you could see. This one, made in Thailand. It's bottom on it. This one, it's wheels that I could play with this. That one, it's cool for a while since this one. Unboxing this for a while. That one, I need to throw this because it's so rubbish. So, I've been unboxing this. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching for a while. I'll see you then.